Present. Please, Your Honor. My name is Diego. I appear for the first accused person. If it may please the court, my name is Kibungei. I appear together with Elijah Kibet and Boniface Oduor for the second, third, and fourth accused persons. For the second, third, and fourth accused persons. Yes, Your Honor, the first accused person is not present in court today.
Wait a minute. Your name?
My name is Diego, Your Honor.
Before I hear your address, let me confirm those are present. I'm not the attendant. In the court, I'm going to complete that.
All right.
Before you go to the other address.
Very well.
So we're going to Martin Zapsenter. Mesha Rono. Number 2. This side. Joshua Kiboy present. Jackson Mandago present. So number 2, 3, 4 present. Are you from that? Mandago. Okay, I'm not just in the whereabouts number 1 now.
Very well. Your Honor, the first accused person is out of the country. He is in Canada. He traveled on the 13th of June of this year to Canada on a visitor's visa. Your Honor, the first accused person has not been summoned by the DCI to record any statement, and neither was he informed of any investigation involving him. Furthermore, the first accused person has not been notified that he is required to appear in court either yesterday or today. He only learned about his prosecution and indictment on social media and instructed me to appear for him. Your Honor, as an officer of this court, committed to my oath of office, I have advised my client, who is in Canada, to come back to Kenya and face his accusers and to answer to the charges leveled against him. Then my client has committed himself to organize to come back to his home country to answer to the charges that are leveled against him. Your Honor, since it's not possible for him to appear today, my request is that the second, third, and fourth accused persons may proceed to take their plea while we defer the plea of the first accused person to such a date that he will be available in the country. In particular, I pray that in the next mentioned date, that mention be reserved for the first accused person to take his plea, as well as any other preliminary issue that will be handled in the next mention. Your Honor, in the circumstances, my prayer is that we defer the plea in respect of the first accused person, and we humbly request that his plea be taken in the next available mentioned dates, probably in a month's time or 2 months' time, Your Honor. That's all, Your Honor.
So let me take you back. Mr. Yuko didn't Diego.
Diego, yes, I'm Diego, Your Honor. I've been instructed by.
He was on that side.
No, he was on that side.
Sorry, sir. It was me, I was on the other end. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, maybe before I address the issue raised by my learned friend, may I kindly indicate to the court that we have an amended charge sheet record. In that context, Your Honor, we are applying to have the same endorsed, have the same substitute, the charge sheet that was filed yesterday. Your Honor, I'm happy to hear counsel undertaking to avail the first accused person. It's quite commendable. The only problem I have is the time frame. We have no time. We don't have the luxury of time. We cannot allow the first accused person to be away for the 2 months that counsel has mentioned, especially after hearing that he's there on a visitor's pass or visa. You can only assume that he's there on holiday, unless the contrary is adduced. We cannot allow ourselves or this honorable court to be indulged in his own frolics, wherever he is. Your Honor, the warrants should subsist and remain in force until he turns up. I think it takes a day or two to travel from where he is to come to our country, to come back here. So we'll request for the earliest date possible for this first accused person to come and take leave. I'll be guided by Your Honor's diary, but this should not take more than 2 weeks for this person to be here and to take leave. Your Honor, with respect to the other 3 accused persons, they are here. It's only prudent to have the warrants lifted. And we proceed to take the plea. Thank you.